Now, continuing with your next question, the equation of curve mentioned already is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. And you are expected to find the equation of tangents. So obviously the word tangent came, so I will be interested in finding slope, and to find slope I will be derivating with respect to x, though here x and y are not means you cannot say right now, it is not explicitly mentioned, but you can differentiate directly. So when you differentiate with respect to x, so you get here x square being your 2x and y square becoming 2y dy by dx. You know all this, we have already discussed this many number of times. Minus 2 into x ka derivative as 1 minus 4, it is y, but we are differentiating with respect to x. So obviously we will be considering it to be as y to be considered as x, the derivative being 1, and then by chain rule derivative of the assumed part of x. The assumed part of x is y, so we will get here dy by dx, and plus 1 so obviously becomes a constant, so derivative of constant is 0. So this is equal to 0. So taking dy by dx together, so you get this as, I will be transferring this 2x and minus 2 to the right side. So I get here dy by dx into bracket 2y minus 4 is equal to minus 2 becoming plus 2 into, minus 2x. So your dy by dx becomes equal to 2 minus 2x upon 2y minus 4, the division. So this is the slope of tangent, but the point not mentioned, so we do not know right now the point, but it is the slope of tangent at that particular point. So slope of tangent over here is given to you as 2 minus 2x upon 2y minus 4. Now the condition which tells here is like this, k, these tangents are parallel to x-axis. Very good. If the tangents are parallel to x-axis, then the slope of a line which is parallel to x-axis is obviously 0 because inclination is 0. So slope of tangent which is parallel to x-axis is 0. So obviously you will have here this 2 minus 2x upon 2y minus 4. This becomes your 0. That is, you get here 2 minus 2x upon 2y minus 4 is becoming 0. Now this condition is going to become 0 when? This condition is going to become 0 only when the numerator is 0. Denominator compulsory must be non-zero. That is 2y minus 4 must not be equal to 0. So obviously y cannot be equal to 4 by 2. So here the condition which falls is like this, ki here to be 0, your 2 minus 2x must be equal to 0, but 2y minus 4 must not be equal to 0. You know why so, na? If it is becoming 0, then particular thing will become indefinite. So, hence, 2y minus 4 must not be equal to 0. So, now we will get this condition that x is equal to 1. Once we get this condition that x is equal to 1, you need to find the equation of tangent which is parallel to x-axis. So obviously, therefore, when x is equal to 1, so we will get the condition for y. And why we are interested in finding so called as point y? I am telling you because here it is telling that tangent is parallel to what? X-axis. So equation of line parallel to x-axis is y is equal to constant. So I need to find y, that is from where it passes. So therefore when x is equal to 1, then you will get here in the equation of curve x square being 1 plus y square minus 2 into 1 minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. So which becomes here y square minus 4y, and this minus 2 and plus 2 cancels becoming 0. So you get here y into bracket y minus 4 is equal to 0. So obviously this claims that y is either 0 or y is equal to 4. Now see the condition which we have got, that y must not be equal to 2. So neither of these 2 points are going to this particular part. So hence we can say here that equation of tangent will be y is equal to 0. The equation of tangent are y is equal to 0 or y is equal to 4. But the condition says that the tangents are parallel to x-axis, and this y is equal to 0 is x-axis itself. So if you are going to take only so called as parallel, then equation of tangent will not be equal to y is equal to 0 but only y is equal to 4, because y is equal to 4 is only the tangent parallel to x-axis. So hence equation of tangent parallel to x-axis is y is equal to 4, as y is equal to 0 is x-axis, and it is told parallel to x-axis. You can write both also, does not matter, but if you see the condition, it says that it is parallel to x-axis, so only this particular y is equal to 4 will satisfy this particular condition. Now coming to the next question, that is fifth one. It says find the equations of normals to the curve. Now here they are not interested in tangents, but normal is directly or indirectly related to tangent only. So equation of curve when we write, so obviously we will deal with the slope. So equation of curve which is given to you is 3x square minus y square is equal to 8. So now if normal is being asked, I am interested in slope also. So I need to get the slope, and to get the slope I need to find the derivative. So therefore when I differentiate this with respect to x, so I get x square being 2x into 3, that is 6x, minus 2y, you know why it is going to become dy by dx, and which is equal to 0. So obviously you will get this 2y dy by dx is equal to 6x. So obviously your dy by dx is going to become 6x upon 2y, 6x upon 2y, which is nothing but 3x by y. Now Normals are parallel to x plus 3y is equal to 4. Now understand it, how it is. Normal is parallel to whom? Parallel to a line. So suppose this is that line. Okay. So normal will be like this. No, sorry, normal is parallel to the line. Na? The normal is parallel to the line. So if this is the line, this will be your normal. Right? But the slope that we have got is of what? A tangent. Right? And tangent already is normal to the perpendicular, or it is perpendicular to the normal. So obviously this will be your tangent. The black one is your tangent. So this is the tangent which is perpendicular to the normal, and the normal is parallel to the line. So obviously this particular tangent which is there is already perpendicular to the line. So the tangent is perpendicular to the line. So slope of that line will be negative reciprocal of the tangent. Are you getting what I am saying? See this. This is the line. Steel scale is the line. And the pencil is the normal which is parallel to the line. And the tangent ka slope that we will get is nothing but this black pen. So this is the tangent. So I am interested first to find the slope of tangent. To find the slope of tangent, I will find the slope of line and then make negative reciprocal of it. Right? Okay. And then again I will make negative reciprocal. So instead of saying that, but since I can do it directly also, ki here the line which is there is parallel to whom? So called as normal. So you can find the slope of this line, that will be the slope of normal itself. But the thing you have to think is what? Ki whatever you have got is the slope of tangent. So here you need to find the slope of tangent any and how. So proceeding, what we get here is slope of this line, that is slope of line is so called as minus a upon b, that is minus 1 by 3. So therefore slope of tangent will be negative reciprocal, that is nothing but 3. Getting it? So slope of tangent is 3. Now the slope of tangent which is there is already obtained to be as 3, and you have the slope of tangent as 3x upon y. So on solving this, 3 gets divided off, so you get x is equal to y. Now when I get x is equal to y, so I will substitute in the equation of curve. So now x is equal to y in so called as 3x square minus y square is equal to 8. So I get here 3x square minus x square is equal to 8, which is nothing but 2x square is equal to 8, indicating x square is equal to 4, clearly stating that x is equal to plus minus 2. Agreed? Now you got x is equal to plus minus 2, therefore y also being equal to it also is equal to plus minus 2. So you get 2 points, one is 2 comma 2 and another is minus 2 comma minus 2. Now if you remember the condition, it said to us that line which is there is parallel to the normal. तो obviously slope of line and slope of normal is same. So slope of normal over here is nothing but minus 1 by 3. Now I have slope and I have point. So I can find the equation of normal very easily. So therefore equation of normals will be equal to y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So you get this as 3y minus 6 is equal to minus x plus 2. Now continuing, I multiplied this, you can see here it is 3y minus 6 is equal to minus x plus 2, which becomes equal to x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. And the second point I am taking now is minus 2 comma minus 2. So y minus y1 will become y plus 2 and x minus x1 will become this. So here you get 3y plus 6 is equal to minus x minus 2. So the equations of normals are, here the first one is x plus 3y minus 8 and here it is x plus 3y plus 8. I suppose you have got this. Have a look at it.